Burhanuddin from Class 10 F, and today we aren't here to give you a lecture, but to walk you into the real world.
Imagine this, you're an employee at a multinational company. Deadlines are chasing you, communication is failing, and you're about to burn out. No textbook can help, but something else can, life skill.
To begin a day with a brilliant thought is the best way to get started. So, for thought, let us invite Avika and Shauri.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought is life skill teaches how to turn obstacles into opportunity. I repeat my thought, life skill teaches how to turn obstacles into opportunity.
Life skills like adaptability and critical thinking allow us to take challenges from different angles and turn into stepping stones. Thank you.
Proceeding further, let us invite Ahana and Nupur to introduce and facilitate a short skit.
I'm Burhanuddin for the warm introduction. Hello there, homies. I am Ahana Upadhyay.
And I am Nupur Bamne.
And we'll be the narrator for today's skit. And with this skit, we'll take you all to the New York City.
Our skit begins with an MNC, a multinational company called Umura, situated in the New York City of the United States. The manager, along with the assistant manager, have been a bit worried about the performance of their employees lately.
And after putting in a lot of thought, they finally decided on calling a professional team of workplace therapists to identify the challenges faced by their employees at their workplace as well as their daily lives and give solutions accordingly.
Now let me introduce you all to the employees.
First of all, we have Vallabi as manager, Miss Rose, and Manas as assistant manager, Mr. Harrison.
Priyanshi as Emma,
Vedika as Olivia,
Vaishnavi as Amelia,
Nivedita as Sophia,
and Harshita as Grace. These employees are facing challenges in their daily lives and at their workplace,
while the workplace therapists provide them with solutions in the form of life skills.
Now let's move further onto this sketch.
May I come in?
Yes. It's 11:30 already. Where's the report from the marketing team?
It's here, finally, but the politics don't even ask. Just half-baked and full of errors.
This isn't the first time. I have been noticing. Deadlines are missed, meetings are disorganized, and the communication, it's a mess.
I have tried them, reminding them, guiding them, but it's like they freeze under the pressure.
Exactly. No initiative, no time sense, no leadership. It's frustrating.
You know what I think? They have got technical skills, but what? They really lack life skills.
Life skills?
Yes, that actually makes lot of sense. Because we keep training them on software and but we never train them to manage themselves.
Right. Maybe we should bring in someone from outside, like an organization that specializes in life skill training.
Yes, workshops will really could turn things around.
Yes, let's do it. Contact them and schedule a few sessions.
Absolutely. Absolutely. If we want to build a better team, we need to build a better individual.
Well said. Let's make it happen.
I've been finding it our problem that it is not organizing. Our tasks are going and we are not able to manage that. So how can we organize our work and manage our time? Thank you for expressing your concern. Your problem is perfectly normal. Actually, these days, this problem is very common among people. Time management is the skill to manage time in such a way that you are able to manage all the work, to complete all the work in a timely manner. Time management isn't just about collecting tasks or meeting deadlines. It's a core life skill that impacts almost every area of our lives. To improve time management skills, we can focus on planning, prioritization, and we can focus on thank.
Hello sir, hello ma'am. Our problem is that we were in a meeting with potential clients and we were not able to express our views and ideas with our communication skills. So could you suggest us any solution regarding this?
Thanks for sharing your concern. Many people feel uncertain when it comes to expressing yourself, but I want to tell you that you are not alone, and it's perfectly normal. The important thing is to recognize that this is a communication skill you can develop. First, practice active listening. This will help you to understand their perspective better. Next, don't shy away from the opportunities to practice speaking, whether it is in a group project or even a group discussion. Also being attentive towards your facial expression, voice tones, and body language. Moreover, this skill boosts your confidence and also the ability to articulate your thoughts clearly. Thank you.
Next.
Good morning ma'am, good morning sir. Our problem is since we started living alone,
we have been stuck between our personal and professional life, which has messed up our schedule. And due to this, we are feeling low and stressed. So, do you have any solution through which we can release our stress and perform better?
Thanks for your concern. And see, you don't need to worry about this because this problem is common between youngsters. Stress management. Stress management is the art of navigating life's challenges along with consciousness, calmness, and clarity. You can handle stress management by self-awareness, identifying your stress triggers, meal, exercise, or meditate regularly. Certainly, if we talk about stress management, offers numerous benefits, such as it can improve sleep, make you stay calm, and it can also improve your digestion.
Next.
Good morning, everyone. How can I manage my team that is formed by diverse cultural backgrounds?
Thank you for sharing your concern with me. And don't worry, as this problem is nowadays normal problem. Now, before the solution, I will tell you the actual meaning of leadership quality. Leadership quality refers to the ability to inspire, motivate, and guide others towards achieving a common goal. To develop it, you should focus on some points that are understanding and appreciating differences, recognizing individual strengths, and by emphasizing inclusivity, communication, and collaboration, as it benefits in different ways, such as it improves team motivation, increased productivity, and is very crucial for team success.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
An office without value is just a building, but a team with values become a family, and a life without value is a journey without direction. But values give life a true purpose. Thank you.